I'm Dallas Tung with Keller Williams Realty. Are you looking for a house with a great view of the Las Vegas Strip and the mountains? Well, I am here at 11832 Dragontail Peak, here in the Red Point, West Summerlin area. And behind me, we have a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, just under 2,300 square foot home listed for $940,000. So let's take a look inside. All right, walking in the front door, right here, this door is the garage. So we're gonna turn left into the kitchen. They've upgraded the quartz countertop. We have the 42-inch cabinets, upgraded stainless steel GE, and then they also upgraded the backsplash. All right, so kitchen is that way. As we walk through this way, we have dining area here. And then behind me, you can see that there's nothing in the backyard. This is a brand new house. No one's have lived in it, so you can do whatever you want. And then the left side over here, you have the family room. So right here, halfway up the stairs, we have the half bath for guests downstairs. Up in the second floor now, we're gonna go this way. Master bedrooms that way. We have 3 bedrooms this way, 1 here, and then 1 on this side. We have this full bath right here for the 3 bedrooms in this nice den area, and then you can see the whole city, the valley, the mountains. So now we're gonna go down this hallway towards the master bedroom. On the right side here, this is the laundry room. We're in the master bedroom. The windows on this floor, you can see the strip, mountains, everything. Every window has a pretty decent view. Behind me, of course, you can see there's a balcony as well for the master bed. Okay, so we're walking into the master bathroom. Tile flooring, quartz countertop, dual sink, and through that window, we're facing east with the city views. Just outside of the master bedroom, we're gonna go up the stairs to the best part of this house. And now we're on the 3rd floor in the rooftop area. This is a nice open area. You can have entertainment, whatever. There's a half bath here. And let's go outside and take a look. Coming out on the 3rd floor, rooftop deck. Of course, you have unobstructed view. Okay, so this is the end of the tour. If you're looking for a brand new house, never been lived in, this is it. Or if you're looking for something else in Las Vegas, hit me up, Dallas Tung at kwvegas.com, 702-686-1668, or send me a DM. Thanks.